Welcome back to another workshop from Dunedin Public Art Gallery Home Learning Workshops. I'm John, and today's workshop is called Leafy Lions. Now, I was walking around outside and I saw lots of leaves on the ground, because here in New Zealand, of course, it's autumn. And I thought, what could we do with these leaves? Wouldn't that be great for the mane of a lion? And I especially like these leaves because they've got serrated edges around the outside. And you can use your scissors and cut the leaf and make it even smaller. And then we could overlap the leaves like this and make a mane of a lion. So let's show you one that I've been working on. Here it is. I started off by painting the face of the lion. I looked at the internet for a lion, but I could have got a book. And then I painted black around the outside. And then I started gluing on my leaves. And I started at the bottom and I worked my way till I got up to the top. Now I tried paper glue sticks, and they're completely useless. The leaves just wouldn't stick very well at all. But then I looked around, and in the workshop I found some white PVA glue, some wood glue, and that worked really well. Another thing you could try is a hot glue gun. That would be good. So I glued them on. Now, leaves are part of nature, and they start to disintegrate. They start to get dry and brittle. So your artwork might not last too long unless you put a varnish layer on the top. That will protect it. And you can make a really user-friendly varnish by using the PVA. Half PVA, half water. And you just paint it all over those leaves. In fact, you can paint it over the whole thing because it'll dry clear and shiny. When you put it on, it looks white, but it will dry clear. So, that's how you make your leafy lion picture. We'll catch you next time.